Jennifer Hudson and Common have charmed their fans with their heartwarming confirmation of their relationship, winning over the public with their genuine love. The couple first sparked speculation about their romance in 2022, but it was during an episode of the Jennifer Hudson Show that they made their union official, leaving supporters ecstatic. During the show, Common surprised Jennifer with a stunning bouquet, a gesture that undoubtedly touched her heart. In a playful exchange, Jennifer curiously asked if he was seeing someone, setting the stage for their romantic revelation. Common took this moment to express his deep admiration for Jennifer, describing her as one of the most remarkable individuals he has ever encountered. He praised her intelligence, devotion to spirituality, and humble nature, all attributes that have endeared her to him. Naturally, he couldn't resist mentioning her extraordinary talent, subtly referencing her illustrious career, which includes an Oscar win for Dreamgirls and recently achieving EGT status. While Common didn't mention Jennifer by name, his allusions to her professional accomplishments left no doubt about whom he was speaking of. It was clear that he was smitten by her and held her in the utmost regard. Common's words conveyed not only his admiration but also his happiness in their relationship. He expressed great joy in witnessing Jennifer's happiness, underscoring the profound connection they share. Their relationship became public knowledge when they were spotted holding hands in November after attending a jazz performance in New York City. However, it was Jennifer herself who confirmed their romantic status during an interview on CBS This Morning. Overflowing with happiness and contentment, she described herself as very happy and emphasized the depth and sophistication of their relationship. It was evident that their love was built on a solid foundation, rooted in emotional connection. The confirmation of Jennifer Hudson and Common's romance has brought immense joy to their fans, who are eagerly anticipating their journey as a couple. With their shared passion for their craft and their evident adoration for each other, Jennifer and Common have captured the hearts of many, becoming an inspiration for love and happiness.